Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Law Cannon. I'm back at it again, this time with a recipe for blackened salmon over a bed of Cajun bow tie pasta. This has been one of my most requested dishes, so I'm about to show you how to make this. So for this recipe, you're gonna need some shrimp, of course. I chose to get extra large size. You're gonna need some salt. You're gonna need ground black pepper. You're gonna need blackened seasoning. I got the Cajun kind. You're gonna need some jerk seasoning of choice. I chose to get JCS brand, Boston Dry Jerk. I love it. You're gonna need some Cajun seasoning. Some people prefer Slap Your Mama. I got some Louisiana. I think this tastes great on everything, like it says on the packaging. You're gonna need some chicken broth, some bow tie pasta, freshly grated Parmesan. You're gonna need salmon, of course. I got 2 fillets, bell peppers of choice, butter, garlic, whipping cream. Okay, so now we have our salmon sitting here and we have our shrimp. And for the salmon and shrimp, it's really pretty much basic ingredients. I'm about to season this salmon with some Cajun blackened seasoning. This is really all you need for some blackened salmon. It's one of my favorite seasonings. You can set that aside. So for your shrimp, it's pretty much a basic 2 seasoning blend. We're gonna first off use some Cajun seasoning that I showed earlier from the Louisiana brand. Then get your jerk seasoning and sprinkle some jerk seasoning on there as well. After you got that jerk on there, then all you're gonna do is mix that up, let them marinate for at least like an hour. Okay, now get your bell peppers. You're gonna wanna cut these. I cut very unorthodox, so we're just gonna speed past this. Okay, now that you got your peppers all cut up, here's the plate of peppers. You're gonna get your garlic. You're gonna cut your garlic up, so now we can prepare to start putting everything into this hot skillet. Now place your garlic in the skillet, cook until about 4 to 5 minutes until the garlic becomes fragrant, and then you're gonna add your shrimp. Now you're gonna add your peppers to that same skillet that your shrimp was just in. We're gonna cook these peppers for up to 10 minutes. Now take those peppers out, add you a stick of butter, cook until completely melted. Then you can add your peppers right back in. And when you add your peppers in, it's time to add a pint of heavy cream or a little bit more depending on how creamy you like your pasta. Now go ahead and add your 1 cup of chicken broth to the skillet. And now make sure you're still cooking this on medium-high heat and start stirring. Okay, now get 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and continue to stir. Now you can see that your sauce is starting to thicken up because this came to a boil. Let the sauce continue to thicken up for about 3-4 minutes. Also add some black pepper. Some people don't like black pepper in this. I like black pepper because it makes it a little bit more spicy, gives it that kick. So yeah, add your black pepper now. Add your cup of Parmesan cheese now. Continue to stir. Now it's gonna start getting that creamy consistency. And now you can actually grab your noodles and prepare to start adding your noodles in. Now this step is optional, but I added a cup of cheese because I like my sauce a little bit more cheesier. So I added a cup of cheese, and I'm about to bring this right back to a boil. And now you can either add your shrimp in here, or you can just top it with shrimp. I choose to top it with shrimp because it just looks nicer. Now for this recipe, I had to bring out the old school cast iron. Yeah, you see the wear and tear. However, this boy gives the salmon the perfect sear. So I've added olive oil to this skillet. cut the heat on high, and when it's just about smoking, it's time to put these salmon in this skillet. I flipped them. This is blackened seasoning, remember, so that's why the top is darker, because it's blackened seasoning. It ain't burnt. Add your butter, throw some butter on top of the salmon, and you're pretty much done. Now you can get your pasta, put your pasta in a bowl, prepare to get your salmon, put your salmon on top of the pasta, garnish with parsley, some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and you're pretty much done, man. Make sure you like, comment below, subscribe, follow me on Twitter at LawCannon, follow me on Instagram at LawCannon, and stay tuned for all further recipes. Matter of fact, you could drop some comments below and let me know what you want to see me cook next.